Did you know that not all medications are allowed in every country? If you didn't, I'm Dr. Erica R. Jones, MD, and I'm going to let you know now that you got to check your medications. This is something a lot of people do not realize until they are already at the airport, or worse, they're in customs. A medication that is completely legal where we are in the United States might be restricted or require like special paperwork or clearance, or it might even be prohibited in another country. So that includes prescription medications, over-the-counter medications, and even some supplements. So make sure that you keep a list of the medications and the supplements that you're taking. And before you travel, the most important thing that you can do is check the medication rules for every country on your itinerary. That includes layovers too. So if you want to check your medication list, the best place to start is the International Narcotics Control Board traveler page at incb.org. That's where you can find the country by country medication regulations. Something else you should do, check the official travel guidance from the country you're going to, because the rules can change and not every destination is going to treat every medication the same way. You're leaving the U.S. If you have a stopover somewhere else, check that country too. I'm going to tell you some of the commonly restricted medications, right? So ADHD stimulants. So if you're taking amphetamine, understand that you need to check the list. If you're taking sleep medications like Ambien, you need to check the list. If you have anxiety and you're taking anti-anxiety medications like alprazolam, lorazepam, and diazepam, you need to check and see how each country handles these medications. Now, don't forget about pain medications, especially the opioids like hydrocodone, oxycodone, and codeine. Even some cold and allergy medicines that contain pseudoephedrine or other ingredients might be regulated in other countries. So understand that you have to check this. If you just have a quick, medicine for a quick cough or something like that, you got to understand that it could be a combination of medicines that you might not even know is in there that you still need to check for if you plan on bringing it outside of the U.S. Cannabis products, including medical marijuana and CBD, need to be checked. If a medication is controlled, if it's sedating, if it's habit forming, if it's used for pain, sleep, anxiety, or ADHD, make sure you check it before you go. Remember, even common medications can cause problems if you bring them into a country and you have more than the allowed quantity. That means the number of medications. So here's a few things that are going to help you prevent any issues. First thing, make sure you keep all your medications in their original labeled containers. Do not bring your pill box to the airport. Make sure you bring a copy of your prescription list. All this stuff that I'm telling you is going to help you out. The next thing you need is a letter. Ask your doctor for a travel letter that includes the generic name of each medication, the dose, and the medical reason you're taking it. You need to pack that letter with you and bring it with you. Here's the other thing. You only need to pack the amount of pills that you need for your trip. Only pack what you need for your trip. If a medication is especially important, make sure you look at the rules before you travel, not the day before. Because guess what you probably won't have time to do? Schedule that doctor's visit for that doctor's note. We need time to be able to produce paperwork. So here's your takeaway. Don't just assume that your medication is allowed, even if it's prescribed, even if it's sold over the counter. A few minutes of checking ahead of time can prevent some major issues with your travel. I'm Dr. Erica R. Jones, MD, and if you know someone who takes ADHD, anti-anxiety, pain medications, send them this video. Travel season is ramping up, and this is something that you need to know. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and once again, share it.